Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change password on Roblox application. To change your password on Roblox, first of all, open up the Roblox app on your mobile device and log in. After you're signed into one of your accounts, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right corner from the home screen. Inside the More menu, tap on the Settings button. Inside Settings, tap on Account Info. Within the Account Info section, scroll down and tap on the pencil button right next to Password. In a pop-up, enter your current password for your Roblox account in the first tab. In the next field, type in the new password you are trying to change to. Confirm the password by re-entering it again in the last field, and finally tap on Update. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to change your password for your Roblox account. Now your Roblox account is secured with a new password. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gaming for Beginners for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.